Now come to the next topic, that is two spacer triangles, equilateral and isosceles triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. Here in triangle ABC, the sides AB, BC and AC, they are equal. Therefore, it is an equilateral triangle. Now in triangle XYZ, XYZ, here two sides are equal. A triangle in which two sides are of equal length is called an isosceles triangle. Now next, now sum of length of two sides of a triangle. It is a property of a triangle. Let us take this triangle as A, B and C. In this triangle, the sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. This is the property of a triangle, and this is the minimum property of a triangle to make a triangle. In this, here sum of any two sides, that is AB plus BC, it must be greater than BC, or BC plus AC, it must be greater than AB, or AB plus AC, it must be greater than BC. So these are the three conditions for making a triangle. If these three conditions follows, then only we can make a triangle. Next, now come to exercise 6.4. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? First is 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. Here we use property of triangle, that is sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So let us check all the three possibilities. Here add it 2 plus 3, it is not greater than 5. Therefore, this triangle is not possible. Now come to second part. Here it is 3 centimeters, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Let us use same property. Here 3 plus 6, it is greater than 7. 6 plus 7 is greater than 3, and 7 plus 3 is greater than 6. Therefore, this triangle is possible. Now come to next, third part. Here 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Here 6 plus 3 is greater than 2. Now 3 plus 2 is not greater than 6. Therefore, this triangle is not possible. Now come to next. See question number 2. Take any point O in the interior of triangle PQR is first part OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Second part OQ plus OR is greater than QR. And third part OR plus OP is greater than RP. In the given figure, PQR, O is the interior point, join PO, OQ and OR. Now in triangle POQ, using property of triangle, that is, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side, we can write OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Therefore, it is true. Now come to second part. In triangle QOR, OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Therefore, it is true. Now for third part, in triangle POR, OP plus OR is greater than RRP. Therefore, it is true. Question number 3. AM is the median of triangle ABC. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than twice AM. In the given figure, ABC, AM is the median. AM divide the triangle in two parts, that is triangle AMB and AMC. So let us take first triangle. Here in triangle ABM, use property of triangle, that is sum of any two sides of triangle is greater than third side. Therefore, we can say that AB plus BM is greater than AM. This is your first equation. Now in triangle AMC, MC plus AC is greater than AM. Write this as second equation. Now adding equation 1 and 2. What will you get? Add left hand side with left hand side and right hand side with right hand side. Here left hand side of first equation is AB plus BM and left hand side of second equation is MC plus AC is greater than right hand side, it is AM plus AM. Here add BM and MC, you will get BC. You can write it as AB plus BC plus AC is greater than twice AM. Now come to next. Come to question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than is AC plus BD? Here in the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral and AC and BD are its diagonal. Here diagonal AC divides the quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles, that is ABC and ADC. Now in triangle ABC, using property of triangle, that is sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Here AB plus BC is greater than AC. This is your first equation. In triangle ADC, CD plus DA is greater than AC. This is your second equation. In triangle, now take the other diagonal, that is BD. It divides the quadrilateral in two triangles, that is ABD and BCD. Take triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, AB plus AD is greater than BD. This is your third equation. In triangle BCD, BC plus CD is greater than BD. This is your fourth equation. Adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here add it. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA plus AB plus ED plus BC plus CD is greater than EC plus EC plus BD plus BD. Here AB and AB, it is twice AB. Then BC and BC, it is twice BC. CD and CD, it is twice CD. And DA and DA, it is twice DA. Is greater than AC and AC, it is twice AC. And BD and BD, it is twice BD. Take 2 common in the left hand side. It is 2 AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than, again take 2 common in the right hand side, it is AC plus BD. Here you can cancel this 2 and these 2. What is left? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now come to the next part.